Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish a book with Amazon. Here's how to publish a book with Amazon using their Kindle Direct Publishing Platform. That's the KDP. The first thing you need to do is to visit the KDP website. Still, I'm going to launch a new tab, and from this tab, I'm just going to head over to Kindle Direct Publishing and click on the website itself. So here is the KDP website. The next thing you'd like to do is to hit the Join KDP button. That's if you are new to KDP, but if you are not new to KDP, just go ahead and click on sign in and sign in with your account. So here I have a form that you need to fill out. So fill in your account details, including your name, address, and payment information for royalties. So I'm going to have to start with my name, and I'm going to suggest password. If I want to suggest password, and click on create your KDP account. Says you indicated you're a new customer, but an account already exists. Okay, so it says I have a KDP account, and I'm going to go back and start from or instead of going back, I'm just going to click on already have an account, sign in. So sign in, have a puzzle. That puzzle. So after entering your account details, you're going to see this terms and conditions that you need to read. It's quite a lot. So just go ahead and read, and after reading, we're just going to wait for the next step. So I'm just going to quickly hit the agree button. All right, so after agreeing to the rules and regulations, or the terms and conditions rather, is going to take you right into this page that has already been created for you. But then it says you need to provide some information before you can receive royalty payments for your book sales. Now go ahead and click on create button to start creating your book. All right, or head over to your account and do whatever you want to do there. Now once you click on the create button, they're going to ask you a couple of questions. So in this sense is to publish your book, right? So this could be create Kindle ebook. Now select create ebook and just follow through with the necessary processes to create your ebook and publish from there. So first off, you need to format your book. You have to learn how to format your book. Now ensure that your manuscript is properly formatted for Kindle. So use tools like Microsoft Word, Scrivener, or formatting services. Then follow KDP's formatting guidelines for a smooth publishing experience. And then for the cover design, create an eye-catching book cover. You can design it yourself using tools like Canva or hire a professional designer. KDP provides a cover creator tool for you as well. So here, enter the language and then select the book title. If it has a subtitle, put it in, and series, edition number, author, contributors, description. You have book description, and you have publishing rights, the primary audience as well, and primary marketplace. You have categories, keywords, and pre-order. Now, once you're done setting all of these things, go ahead and click on save and continue. And after clicking on save and continue, you're going to head over to the next step, which will be finalized for you. So that's the Kindle ebook details, and then the next thing is Kindle ebook content. So there are three phases of the publishing process. the book details, which we have here. Then head over to the Kindle ebook content, and once you're done, head over to the Kindle ebook pricing. Once you're done filling out all of the necessary information, all you have to do is to just hit publish a Kindle ebook or publish your paperback. That's if you're using an ebook, to submit your book for publication. Review all the details for accuracy. So once everything looks good, go ahead and click on publish a Kindle ebook. Now, Amazon will review your submission. This process typically takes up to 72 hours. Once published, promote your book through social media, author websites, blogs, and email newsletters. Consider using Amazon marketing services to run ads for your book. Also use your KDP dashboards to track sales and customer reviews, engage with readers, and make improvements to future titles based on feedback. Here are some additional tips that will really help you. You need to familiarize yourself with KDP's guidelines for formatting, cover design, and publishing to ensure a smooth process. Also, building an author platform and connecting with readers can help increase your book's visibility and sales. Then, this KDP program allows exclusive access to promotional tools, including Kindle Unlimited and Countdown deals, but requires you to make your ebook exclusive to Amazon. So once you follow these steps, you can be sure to successfully publish your book on Amazon. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.